Hey guys, we're back here at beautiful Montague at the Montague Artisan Market. We are going to be making our world famous deep fried oyster mushrooms. I'm going to show you the trick to this. Come on over and take a look. So the key is you got to have two mixtures. One with water, your choice of seasonings and flour. The other one with your flour and your choice of seasoning. So we're going to do a method I call double dip. I'm just going to get this guy nice and wet. Put it right inside. And then I'm going to go right back into the water and dip one more time. Get a nice good coating on that. And shake off the excess powder. And we're going to get about 4 of these guys for an order I'm making. And if you guys want to come see me, again, I'm at the Montague Artisan Market in Montague, Michigan. Just like so. Dip it in. And the reason for the water is because the seasonings will not stick to your mushrooms without it. So it's not like meat. You're going to want to make sure you're seasoning your mix, both mixes, 3 times the amount you would for meat. Hey Siri, set up. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So now I'm about halfway through. What I'm going to do is just reach in here and flip these guys over with my tongs. Just like so. I want to try not to break up any breading, but if it happens, it happens. I'm not too worried about it. Grab that guy right there. Yeah, look at that. Woo. This is going to be good eating, guys. Just got to get that last one over. It's giving me a little trouble, but no worries. I'm a professional. There we go. Look at that, guys. All right, that's looking beautiful. We got some fries going for this order. We got our deep fried oyster mushrooms. We're ready, we're rocking and rolling. We're up here at the Montague Artisan Market. We got trees, I got pizza. I'm doing gourmet mushroom smash burgers. We got natural organic smoothies inside. It's going down here, guys. Great Lakes Mushroom Company.